So here's my intelligent toilet that I just ordered. I wanted something that is a little bit more higher tech, something that had a bidet as well. It also has a heated seat. It's motorized as well. It's got your sensor here, soft close technology. On the back, it's got your knob there as well. And then back here, you do have your electrical connections. You just plug it into your wall. You got your water hose connections as well. It's really nice that it also comes with all your hardware that's needed. Full instructions. If you are doing a new build home, it has the cutout and all the drilling information, as well as the opening, which makes it really nice and easy. Very simplistic there. It also has the remote. You got your nozzle position, your water pressure, seat temperature, air temperature, water temperature there, which is really nice. Then you have a couple of different options on the wash style. And then you've got lights, massage setting, nozzle clean setting there as well. Also, of course, comes with their instructions and your product manual. It also comes with your, of course, your wax ring, your trim, your hardware for installation, which makes it really nice. So this T05 toilet with the built-in bidet setting is the latest smart toilet. It pairs bold, minimalist style with the comfort of personal cleansing, delivers the newest touchless technology with innovative performance, which is so nice. Designed to upgrade your daily bathroom routine with maximum hygiene, offers a uniquely refreshing experience in a style that looks very good in any bathroom. What's really nice about it, it does have the cold and warm water wash feature, front and rear wash, posterior wash, your feminine wash, the pulsating wash and oscillating wash as well. It does also have the auto flush feature, 4-way flushing. It's got adjustable settings for the heat, dryer and water pressure and temperature. Also has an easy to use remote control for touchless control. Deodorizer, so it reduces odors, makes air fresher compared to the activated carbon. Also has the intelligent night light, makes it easy to use in the dark. It's also easy to use with the remote control for touchless controlling features, and it reduces wasteful water toilet paper usage. It also has your knob here. It actually feels really good, nice and silky smooth to control. Very comfortable seating position. I like this seat especially because it is heated and also has the air features and everything like that. This is our second one that we purchased. Our first one we loved. We put it in our guest bathroom because that one was bad. Threw this one in and it has rave reviews, so I'm very happy with this one. Overall, couldn't be any happier with all the features that it has, the price point that it is. Highly recommend this toilet if you guys are in the market for a smart toilet. This is definitely the one to get.